Do classic Mustangs really suck? Well, stay tuned for the whole video. You may learn something. These old relics lost to time, forgotten. Is it possible to revive these old classics? Let's dive in, and we'll show you where you can go to find parts and accessories. Now let's take a look here at CJ Pony Parts. Here you can see they have a lot of categories. So they pretty much have everything for this car. And let's scroll down and just take a look and see what they offer. Complete floor pans, quarter panels, the cowl, which is always prone to rusting out on these cars. And, they got the quarter panel for the convertible as well. The complete trunk pan. Got a power antenna chrome kit. Wheel wells, fenders. Let's take a look at the fenders. Now, it looks like the fenders here, wow, that's a really good price. That was a New Year's sale. But $155.54 each. That's not bad. And the pair $329.38. But one thing to keep in mind is the manufacturer and the brand of the parts. The prices are going to vary from manufacturer or distributor of these parts. So like if you're trying to compare pricing to National Parts Depot compared to CJ Pony Parts, the prices are going to vary. And here, take a look at this video. So they feature videos like this on how to do certain projects. Like on this one, they're replacing the bumpers and they show you the tools necessary. I don't have the audio playing for that video, but you get the gist of what's going on. And they offer the door skins, complete doors. You can get the Dynamat, which is going to cut down on the road noise, and a variety of other parts that are associated with that part of the car. I mean, you can get the complete frame structure for the fastback for a little over $2,000. It's amazing what you can get for these cars and bring them back to life. Okay, now let's take a look at National Parts Depot. And you just got to put in your information, Ford, the correct Mustang, 65 through 73. They want to scroll down and they have all their categories right there. So you can upgrade the brakes. You can put a trick exhaust on it. So you can go original or you can go beyond original. Making it your own custom ride. So that's one thing I like about these companies. They have of everything you need to make it original or make it a resto mod or make it a hot rod. But you get to personalize your own car the way you want it. So let's look at these fenders. And we scroll down here. We see all the other associated sheet metal in that section. And you can see right now the prices are $374.95. And that one's $228.95. Now, that might be North American manufactured sheet metal. It's supposed to be better quality. But you'll just need to call National Parts Depot and just ask them. And now Summit Racing here, a few years ago, they got into the parts restoration game, and they have a good offering of parts as well. So you just put in same analytics, your make and model. And there's Mustang. And, 65 through 73 first gen performance parts. And, they got the complete restoration sheet metal, just like everybody else. And a lot of other trick pieces to really personalize your ride and make it your own. So let's take a look at the brakes here. You can do brake kits for a reasonable price. You can upgrade to disc brakes because a lot of these cars were drum brakes. There are many things you can upgrade on these classic cars to make them more fun to drive and more reliable, and just a lot of fun to work on. So really this video wasn't about bashing the Ford Mustang, it's to celebrate it. I have one myself and I look forward to finishing mine. So thanks for dropping in, and I hope you give the video a thumbs up.